to get this right. I've been slaving away, just want to reach the stage, trying to make you proud, like I said I would. This used to be our thing, you, me, and Carnival. When you're feeling down, I said, my girl, when you're feeling low, just put your music on. Let soca heal your soul. Pull your shoulders back, make sure you stand up tall. Plant your feet on the ground, you are unbreakable. I'm good and thankful you brought me here, to a place where I don't feel any fear. I believe in myself again, from now it's my way. Cheers to you. Mama, take me there, as we celebrate the sweetest feeling. Give me a chance to display this confidence. Today is the day to be crowned the queen of the masquerade. I want you to guide each step by take leading me to the stage. Gems precisely line up, feathers full and vibrant, headpiece crown for your head top, cutting material non-stop. Make sure it's secure the backpack, glue gun keeping it intact, wristband, horn, whistle, flags, rampart, carnival thing that. Try to find them, the stress is building up. Don't know where to look, no time for me to stop. I have to find the truck, crowd is picking up. Storm is squashing us, push and shoving us. All this for the love. Take me there, as we celebrate the sweetest feeling. Give me a chance to display this confidence. Today is